moist, delicious chocolate chip banana bread. Close up, please. You guys, the best banana bread recipe is right on the corner, so you gotta watch this video. A super moist banana bread that is out of this world is exactly what you and I are making this week. Check it out. Super moist, perfectly brown crust on top and with the tidbits of chocolate. The ultimate treat, I tell you. What makes this banana bread rich and moist is the Greek yogurt. My bananas are also super ripe, which the riper the banana, the more moisture you'll get in your banana bread. Speaking of banana bread, have you seen my double chocolate banana bread recipe? Oh my gosh, wow, that is a treat you should really check out. I'll link that at the end of this video and right below. I've started preheating my oven and I'm going to grease a loaf pan. I actually like to line it with parchment paper as well, so I can simply lift it once cool. In a large bowl, I'm going to mash the ripe bananas with a fork. Add the Greek yogurt, melted butter, and stir until combined. Instead of butter, you can also use vegetable oil or coconut oil. I prefer butter because the buttery rich flavor makes this taste just like cake. Next, I'm adding my eggs, vanilla, and sugar. Let's give everything a good mix, and this wet batter is ready. In another bowl, I'm going to combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. All you have to do is add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and combine them until you have a smooth batter. The final step is to add some of the chocolate chips into the batter. This way, when you slice this banana bread, you'll get gooey pieces of chocolate bits in each bite. Let's pour the batter into the prepared pan. And finally, I'm going to sprinkle the remaining chocolate chips on top of the bread. In the oven it goes for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Wow, few things beat that banana bread smell throughout the house, right? Let's let the bread cool down to room temperature for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna run a knife at the ends and use the parchment paper to lift it out carefully. You guys, take a look at this loaf. Tiny bits of chocolate chips in the loaf, the moist slice of banana bread. One slice might not be enough. So good. Did you get a good look? Come closer. You definitely have to make this recipe. I'll link it right below in the description box below this video. You're simply gonna love it. And while you're down there, click that red subscribe button. I'd love to send you a new recipe every week.